How to update any graphics card on your Windows. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can check for updates for your any graphics card on Windows device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now to check for your graphics card driver, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the search bar and search for Device Manager. Once you search for it, hit enter and it will open your device manager. Now from this list, you are going to find for your display adapters, double click on it, and here you will find your graphics card for your PC. I don't have a discrete graphic card. I have my Intel's integrated graphic card on my PC. So you are just going to double click on your graphics card that's available. Click on the driver. And from here you are just going to check for update driver. Here you actually have two options. You can either automatically search for drivers or you can browse for your drivers on your PC. I'm just going to choose the first option, and if the graphics card is downloaded or the driver is already up to date, then it will show up like this. But in many cases this is not the case. There are some errors, and in many cases there are latest graphics card available online, and because of this errors it is not showing you. So I'm going to tell you guys how you can check for updates in this kind of case. So the best option here is to auto detect. It makes sense because why not let the manufacturers decide whether you have the latest graphics card or not. Great manufacturers like NVIDIA, Intel's integrated graphic card, and discrete graphic cards for NVIDIA or AMD. These companies allow you to check for your graphics card and its update status online. I'm gonna leave you some links on the description so that you can check if your graphics card is up to date or not. So to check, what you want to do first is what kind of graphics card you have. So for that you want to open up your task manager first. Go ahead and click on performance, and on your GPU you are going to see the name of your graphics card. Mine is Intel UHD graphics. So I'm just going to open up my web browser, and you're going to do the same and type in the name of your graphics card and then driver download. So mine is Intel. I'm just going to search for Intel driver download, and once you search for it, it will show you the download for the Intel's graphics card download. And once you get here, you can start downloading the latest version of your graphics card. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.